All right, so we are in Clarksville, Arkansas. We're just at a local area right here, and we're going to do a hiking trail out here in the city park.
Oh, I'm looking right here. What are you doing, Kylie?
Seems like all water right now is either blue or green.
I think you got to go over here, babe, and go down.
Oh, okay. We can go down there.
Certain.
Is this where that?
No, you got to go over here. Look.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the scout trail.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we're going the scout trail. It's going to be washed out in areas. We really got to be careful, but
okay.
I've heard it's not the best in the world, but we're going to try.
It's a long stairway.
Yeah. Just glad the stairs are maintained.
There was.
So I'm just glad the stairs are maintained because they talk about how the trail's not very maintained out here on this side. Because the other one's just, pavement or whatever. I see what they're talking about. It's starting to wash out and stuff like that.
Yeah, I didn't even know this was out here.
Yeah.
They have a paved trail also that we went on once before, but I had no clue this was even here.
Yeah, there's two different trails. This is the scout trail is what they call it. Oh, that's cute. Pretty over that way. See the bridge from this side anyway. Yeah, but this trail will be closer to the bluff. This is what they're talking about where it's washed out and stuff. It's not that bad though.
They said there's a waterfall up here too, right? As long as it's the trail's not washed out to where we can get to it.
Yeah, as long as it's not flooded or it's not like as long as it's flowing, I guess I should say.
If I can get across.
You got it? Yeah. It's a little bit of a See, I thought it was going to be on that side, but it's on this side.
I didn't think it was going to be here at all. This is a whole different area than what I thought you were talking about.
Yeah. The bluffs. Look at this rock. It just chips so easily. I think this is what they call shale.
Yeah, it is.
Up through there. This one might be a little hard to get around. Watch your footing.
Mm-hmm. As long as all this shale don't give away.
Here, hold on to this and you can get around.
Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm holding that.
Make sure Kylie knows.
Hold that.
Hold on to that branch and pull yourself around. Yeah, put the phone up. Can't have your phone being on your phone while you're hiking.
Trying to stay out of this.
There you go. Pull yourself around. There you go. Well, yeah, I mean, you could have went down and up, but it's real slippery. I don't want you slipping and falling in the water.
I don't want to be known or on camera.
It wouldn't be the first time.
She's done that before. She don't want to do it.
You've done that before? You slipped and fell in the water?
No. She's been on camera.
Oh, Cincinnati on the ice, yeah. Oh.
Don't go in the water.
You still blame Alyssa for that. Yeah, it's really washed out. They need to do some work on this trail. But, I mean, it is really close to the creek. So, and then you have a bluff on one side, so it's kind of hard.
It has been washed out. It's not washed out
Here's
now.
a waterfall. Oh, it's not flowing a whole lot, but that's neat.
But there it is in all its glory.
It is neat though. I like it. Look how it's like smoothed the shell over time and made it real smooth. And the fact that it's right here in the middle of town, really. I mean, you come right into Clarksville and here it is. I'll have to come back after a really good rain.
Yeah. That would be really cool. I could get up there and see where it's coming
here's
from
some more. Look, it's all dripping over here too. Oh, wow.
Maybe there's a really good one on down.
I don't know. That's the thing I like about Arkansas is it makes it look all, the rocks and the way it is, it makes it look all prehistoric like. Well, it does. Like it looks like a whole nother world.
I think you're from a whole nother world.
Well, I am, but you know. Whew. This is going to be fun to navigate. If it was summertime and warmer and I had chacos on, I'd be over there on that sandbar. Be careful because the rocks are loose. Not real bad right through here. I don't know how much further I'm going to be able to go up. I'm going to go down and see. And go high. And go down right here. That looks cool.
Didn't know all this was out here. This is neat that this is right here in town.
It's all round and like crackling and stuff. Your dad's like a turtle, yeah. I'm waiting on you.
Yeah, I was going to say, hope you remember our microphones aren't that good.
Yeah, I know. No, we gotta go up. Look.
Yep.
Go down first. Yeah, you can go down first and then go up. These rocks are so cool how they're rounded and cracking and like this.
Yeah, it's shale. What shale does.
Whoa. You're going up? Girl, I'm glad you're more adventurous than me. Oh, you might have been smart, Kylie. Babe, this is going to be hard to do.
Nah, just walk.
You should go up. You should go where she went. I'm serious. Because you're having to use your hands to get up.
You are.
Let's go through there.
Made it.
Oh, a little bridge or something up here.
Nice little bridge. Ow. This is cool. We're right here in the middle of town.
I know.
And I had no idea this was out here.
Yeah, not this one, though. We've been on the paved one before.
Yeah, but I didn't know all this like this was out here that we could actually get to.
Yeah, I saw it the last time we came on the paved trail. And I was like, oh, there's a scout trail. I guess it goes through the woods. And so I thought, well, let's do that one. It kind of leans.
Yeah, it does.
This must be the part of the trail where they're saying it's like really not clearly marked a lot.
Well, we made it into the woods. We found a little picnic area, and they have what's left of a picnic table.
I don't even know if the trail goes on.
I don't know either, but this is cool enough.
There's a bird down there taking a bath. You missed it. There was a bird down there taking a bath. Oh, wow. We're supposed to have to go straight up.
Huh, cool. Let's do it.
Oh.
Looks like they've done some work on this bridge. It's got new boards on it.
Yeah.
Where that last one's leaning sideways.
Oh, they got a little bench here, too. And daffodils. It looks like a what? A grave? Only you. Miss Wednesday Adams. Looks like a grave.
Look at the raging river.
I feel like we're getting away from the creek, though.
No, I don't know. There's a bunch more water down there, but it could be like a little...
It's a mud hole.
I was gonna say a little swamp area. Probably gators in there. So I think we realized why they call this tin can.
Yeah, we'll be fine. We'll just look for the tin cans.
There's one there, and there's a few more on up through here marking the way. There's one up there. Bottom's kind of rotted out of that one. There's one.
I know. And there's a tire. And another tire.
Finally came back up on some water. This is what I like filming. There's a bunch of water. And then there's them. The paved walking trail's back over there across the way. I think this is going to probably join up to meet it here in a little bit. So as we said before, we're actually in town. So right through there, you can see the road and the bridge with cars going across.
Okay.
Well, we walked across the bridge,
That one
and now
though
we're
goes
back
on
on the
up.
paved trail.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was talking at the same time as you.
It's okay. What'd you say?
I'm thinking that one that we came off of. You get to it, it goes underneath that bridge. I'm thinking if you keep going down, there's a way to cross over. But I could be wrong. Because I could have swore if you go up here, you see a spot where the scout trail comes up over here. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I know this trail right here goes down to the college.
Yeah, I know that. But like if you go on up at towards the end of it, there's a spot scout trail intersects it. So I think if you keep going, but it's so overgrown, like there's a bunch of trees down.
We had a hard time getting through over there.
So, but yeah, that's pretty neat. We'll do more exploring when it's just me and you. I don't want to drag Kylie along, not knowing what exactly we're going. Me and you being lost is one thing, her, a whole nother. But I don't know how bad you could get lost in the middle of town. But I guess it can happen.
I don't know, pretty bad.
I guess it can happen. I mean, I'm not going to say never. Oh my God, no. I wouldn't survive because I'm not drinking pond water. I would hope not. There's probably all kinds of nasty stuff in there. You need to, like, filter it.
Goofy kid.
Crazy.
Is that a little crane out there?
No, I think it's a piece of plastic.
It might be a bag. I can't tell. My eyesight really is not that good anymore.
Yeah, because it's dirty through here.
I thought it was a bird standing up out there.
I love that building. I wish they would turn it into something. I mean, the American Legion's there.
Turned into American Legion.
But nobody's ever there.
I've never seen anybody there.
No, they're never there. Almost looks like an old fort.
I'm gonna walk around it and look at it.
I'm just gonna get back up here on the trail.
Okay. All right, so we're back up on the paved trail, and we're going to go ahead and head on back to the car. And hopefully this wasn't too much of a boring video, because it probably wasn't one of our better ones, but we thought it was kind of cool that this was right in the middle of town where we live. So
this is where we live, and so I like it because we can come out here anytime we want and get exercise, which at our age it's hard to do.
Right.
And because we work, and not because, you know, we're just lazy or anything, but because we work. Well, I run my shop, and you work a full-time job on top of everything else we do. So
anyway, she's rambling, guys, so haha, paid you back.
Yeah, you did.
So we will see you guys later.